The last thing I wanted to say, and you heard the governor talk about the healthcare heroes. All of us have talked about how the hospital workers have worked tirelessly to keep people alive as they're again and again having patients come, having them on ventilators, having them be critically ill, and I know how tired they are. I just want to say public health has worked in a quiet way behind the scenes throughout this pandemic to vaccinate, earlier to test, and now we are testing and vaccinating throughout the state. And I've become aware that many of our line workers who are doing these vaccinations are receiving threats, are receiving hostile emails, or harassing emails. That's something that has, happened to me early on. Maybe it comes to the territory of someone at my position, but it shouldn't be happening to those nurses who are working in the field to try to keep this state safe. And when I heard that one mobile event in one town had to close down because of the harassment, bullying, and threats that were directed at our team, I just said, this is wrong. This is absolutely wrong. These people are giving their lives to help others and to help us in the state. We in Georgia can do better. We should be thanking these individuals who are trying to get life-saving vaccines to our state. And I'm just sorry to let you know about this, because I wasn't fully aware of what was happening at some of our vaccination sites until just this weekend. Thank you.
Well, thank you, Dr. Toomey. And let me just add to that certainly Marty and the girls will continue, myself will continue praying for all of our healthcare heroes, including our public health workers that are out there. I think this is a time for all Georgians to reflect back on the early days in the pandemic when people were delivering meals and donuts and other things to folks working in the hospital and thanking their public health workers, and that's what we should continue to do. We need to unite in these tough times, not be divided. Let's all continue to work and be respectful in the days ahead.